Hello dear viewers, I am your Shobha Kochi. Today I made this recipe that is a Nippattu recipe. So please watch this how I made this. Okay, so see here how it is crispy like this type. Okay, watch it, share it and subscribe it to my channel. Thank you. The measurements that I am already taken 2 cups of wheat flour. This is a wheat flour, 2 cups, and here half a cup of semolina, or we call it as chiroti rava. Then secondly, this is the coriander seeds powder. Then this is ajwain. This is namak, or we call as the salt. Next, this is the chili powder. Then this is nothing but this is what we call Amchur powder. This is shunti and a belulli paste that we call in Allah and belulli paste. Okay, so the items according to all these measurements I already made dough here. So now see here, the dough I'm already made this dough like this type. We have to make a dough as much as possible according to measurement. You have to put a little amount of salt. Okay, this is what is dough, and I kept about for 2 hours for it to mingling. Okay, thank you. So next I'm going to go to fry it in a pan. Here viewers, I am already make from the chapati roll, like chapati, but not it is chapati. But however, I made this and put here in the pan and fry it. Okay, see here how it is. I take this bowl to cut. See here, I'll put one by one. And also one thing that I already put in this dough, that is pudina flakes and chili flakes also. Okay, little bit. off the gas. I put in that pan, in this plate. Okay, we will see how it is. See, here by looking. Oh, nice. Like this type. Like this type I already made. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like, please like and share and subscribe.